Daniel's the light, J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The 6, the quenga and the 4 gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight. Today I am sharing with you the experience my friends and I had at Cococups and Chillipops in Island Village, Suarez, St. Anne, and also our experience at the Suarez brothers Circus. So when you think of Cococups, you can imagine a charming little dessert shop tucked away in a nice little corner. As you enter, you can smell the aroma of sweet chocolate mingling in the air. The shop's simplicity and focus on quality gives it a welcoming and indulgent atmosphere. The floral decor above also adds a nice touch, which helps to create a warm and cheerful atmosphere. On display, there are neatly arranged containers stacked with strawberries, as well as toppings such as almond, pistachio, Oreo, marshmallow, walnut, pecan, etc. Also on display was the service personnel who went through details explaining everything to us before we ordered. So here we are with our completed orders, looking very delicious. And yes, we all agreed that it was very good. It's a must-have. I must also add that there is also a Baileys for additional flavor if you so desire, and there's also water there to cleanse your palate. So for sure we all agreed that Cococups was a 10 out of 10. It's a must-have. It's a must-try. Now situated right next to Cococups is Chillipops. We had initially planned to do only Cococups, but Chillipops was just equally inviting, so we decided to give it a little look-see and ended up having 2 each. It was that good. On display are a colorful array of fruit-flavored popsicles such as pineapple and ginger, strawberry, watermelon, mango, just to name a few, as well as your traditional milk-based popsicles. And for the milk-based ones, you can add your toppings to those. So we all agreed once again that Chillipops was another hit. Another 10 out of 10, another must try. So after taking part in all these big back activities, it was time for us to head on over to the Suarez brothers Circus. So we jumped into our Benz and we actually got there on time. So here we are entering the circus. All the snack shops are lined up at the entrance, and bear in mind that everything costs $1,000 and upward. We purchased 2 popcorns, a cotton candy, and a serving of French fries and headed in. So the show was scheduled to begin at 7:30. They got started at 7:39, which was not bad. So this is the opening act. We got ringside tickets, which was 2 rows behind VIP. In my opinion, it didn't even matter where you sat, because how the chairs were laid out, everyone had a good view of the stage. So I wouldn't say I enjoyed the show. However, I enjoyed the company that I was with. I'm not saying these people didn't do a good job, but I was expecting more. I would say it was basically mediocre performance. It was just okay. So for now, I am done talking. I will just leave you to judge for yourself and enjoy a little of what I experienced in person. So my favorite part of the circus is at the end of this video. So be sure to watch to the end, like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.